I'm Dallin Anderson, and I have a couple locks I'm going to pick in this video today. I'm actually not a very fast locksmith, but I can pick them. Let's see. So if this video is a little too long for you, then just skip some of it. And if you hear background music or background things, it's my annoying brothers and sisters. I've got this pick I'm going to use, and then see, this one, some people call it a half hook, others are something beak. But first we're going to pick this master lock. So let me shut it. It's gonna put the tension wrench in. Gonna use my half hook. Oops, I had it upside down. Skip this lock. I can't have a very long video, so I skip the lock so I can't pick very fast. I'm gonna pick this one. Usually this one takes me anywhere between 3 seconds and 30 seconds, so I'm actually using the Go-So pick set. I like it, it's a nice buy. I got mine from Automotive Picks. You can get them from a bunch of different websites, but that lock's done. 1 down, 2 to go. This lock I found on the road, and I had to bend this part so it could shut. So pretty much just put my tension wrench in, push down each pin. Actually, I like to use the half hook for this lock. Seems easier and faster. Skip that lock. I hate it when I have to skip locks. Okay, so this lock came from a trailer, very old. I don't even need a tension wrench to pick this lock. I just use this back thing, move it back and forth to pick it. Got it already. See, watch. I was pushing the tension the wrong way. Oh, there it goes. See? Got it.